feeling excited for some reason. The vibe is getting higher and higher and higher. Like, alam mo yun, no? Yung parang, woohoo! Yung ganun ni Ate Reg. Pataas ng pataas yung excitement na nababibe natin, no? From the feels dito sa room. So, it looks like, no, something here exciting is approaching you, or you're gonna step into that type of excitement na pataas ng pataas, no? Parang spaghetti. Pataas ng pataas. Yung excitement pataas, at hindi ko nakikitang pababa ito. Yeah, let us see. Sabi nga ni Ate Rufa Me, todo nito. Yes. So, tingnan natin. Oh. Mukhang meron ditong niluluto mga babes 'no, nilulutong ano miss 'yan 'no, nilulutong hindi menudo, hindi rin adobo, hindi rin hotdog mga mahal 'no, kundi nilulutong sorpresa. Wow, someone here is working on something very seriously and very cautiously. Look at the apron, okay. This person here is wearing this kind of apron. And it looks like 'no, very cautiously maingat siya rito 'no, na nagpaplano, nag-aayos, nag-o-organize 'no, and everything related with the surprise. It looks like this person here is pouring his or her time, efforts, and I'm sensing love. Love, love. Ang taray. So let me see more. Four of Swords. Whoever is this connecting sa inyo, it looks like no, everything is moving smoothly sa inyong connection, no? Ay, miss yan, wala akong kakunik. Pwede ba ako dyan? Yes, no? Kasi meron tayong nasense rin dito ng mga single, collective people, no, na paparating na itong tao na to sa inyo. And whether you like it or you like it, because I do see that you will like this person here. Okay, yeah, look at that. Look at your person. Your person pwedeng may itsura siya, no? Handsome. I think ang magiging favorite mo sa kanya dito ang facial features, no, ay ang kanyang mga mata. This person here, no, is someone na posibleng may itsura. If not, malakas ang kanyang charm or ma-appeal. Okay, but ang pinakamaganda, look at that. I'm gonna reveal it sa inyo mamaya, but this person here is very sincere sa'yo. Tingnan mo naman yan. Okay, I love it. Okay, definitely. Okay. This person here is walang duda, soulmates kayong dalawa, and this is not your ex with the Ace of Cups energy. This is someone brand new, someone nakakonek mo na ngayon. Sa iba magiging kakonek mo pa lang, but this person here is coming, whether you like it, and of course you will like it. Look at that. We have here our ultimate bartender. Okay, si Universe. Okay, bartender at tinitimpla ang Two of Cups, no? Ikaw ang isang chalice of love at ikaw ang at siya ang isa pa, no? Na chalice of love. We have here this Ace of you. Wow! Four of Wands energy. I love it. Beautiful. Seven of Pentacles. Whoever this guy, whoever this woman right in here, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo, sweethearts. This is the person who is someone na nakikita ko na magiging very invested sa inyo. And this person here, yeah, you just heard ally. Iaalay niya dito ang kanyang whole life with you. Yeah, kahit niyo person miss yan. Yes, because this is your person from the looks of this. Itong tinitimpla ng ating ultimate bartender, si Universe right in here. At itong person na to, no, yung iba sa inyo, kakonect nyo na siya ngayon. Everything is coming pretty smoothly sa inyong connection, no? You are showing interest with this person already. Others of you, kung wala pa siya sa life ninyo, walang duda, magiging interesado kayo sa kanya, magiging interesado siya sa inyo because this is orchestrated by the divine, no? Universe right in here, no? At darating kayo dito sa punto na ito, no? At yung iba ay nandito na nga tayo sa punto na ito ay wala kayong kamalay-malay, no? Pero ang person ninyo ay may big, huge surprise! Yan ang nakikita natin dito mga babes, no? Ay mamaya sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yon. Let me just greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome, welcome, welcome. No? Para maalala ninyo, inulit ko. So, sa aking mga returning Istam buyers, walang kasawa-sawang tumatambay 24/7. Thank you so much mga mahal, no? Sa inyong walang sawang patronage and support and love for me. Sarangamnida everyone. Inyo nga, wala rin po tayo dito gender ba, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit. Why? Kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin if you want to claim the messages na mag-resonate sa'yo. You can do that, no? And if not, then you can also do that. It's your free will, no? And timeless tayo dito, pwedeng nangyari na actually, hindi pa nangyayari ito, no? For most of you guys, mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya kakonek mo man ito ngayon or hindi mo pa kakonek, ito talaga ay mangyayari dito. Wow. Your person here, no, is preparing something very seriously, very cautiously para hindi mo malaman. This person here looks chill, na parang wala ka talaga rito, no, na mababanaag na meron siya ritong inihahanda for you, no, na kahit na ano, this person here is parang yung usual lang, no, na parang, yeah, nag-uusap kayo, kung ano lang yung parang ginagawa ninyo ng madalas, yun lang yung inyo rito, no, na ginagawa. Wala kayong napapansin na medyo kakaiba sa kanya rito, no, yun pa rin, no, you are just flowing smoothly into this type of connection, at wala kang kamalay-malay na meron na pala siyang inihahandang big surprise for you. Hindi ito sumagi sa inyo ritong isipan with the Eight of Swords energy dahil maingat with the Seven of Wands energy niya itong pine-prepare. And this person here is someone na nakikita ko rito already interacting now with your loved ones, your closest friends, your soul tribe right here, no? And even your family. Nakikipag-communicate na siya rito with this huge or big surprise. So I do see, no, that if this person here is just connecting sa inyo and you are already mutual feelings, no, na kayong dalawa rito, I do see that this person here, I'm gonna reveal na sa inyo kung itong person na to, no, ay kakonect mo pero hindi pa kayo. Ang surprise has something to do with dyan sa hawak niya sa kanyang kamay. This person here, yeah, look at that. This person here is someone who wants to officially ask you to be his or her girlfriend or boyfriend dito. Namjaching ko, yo jaching ko, diba? And if this person is already kayo na nito, no, and things right in here, no, flow smoothly like love, flow smoothly already sa inyo ritong relationship, sa iba sa inyo, no, na kayo na nito, no, definitely marriage. This person here will officially ask your hand in front of the closest people in your life. Yeah, this person here sees support from you. This person here sees his or her forever with you. This person sees his or her happily ever after with you. Kaya gusto niya maging present rito, no, ang mga loved ones or mga malalapit na tao sa life mo, like your mom, your dad, your siblings, your best friend, your best friends, no? Mapa-high school man yan, mapa-elementary, mapa-college, or mga coworkers na malalapit na sa'yo rito. This person wants this intimate, no? Confession of love, of finally asking permission from your loved ones to officially ihingi ng inyo ritong kamay, no? Sa harap ng inyong mga loved ones. Wow! So I do see that this is something here, this person here is preparing, no, organizing, and I do see that you will be surprised. Like after all of this, no, masasabi mo sa kanya, parang wala ka namang ibang ginagawa kasi parang pagkasama kita, okay lang, hindi ka rin parang nagsasabi na next time na lang magkita. Like wala, yun yung usual self mo kapag kasama kita. Tapos meron ka palang ganitong inihahanda. Yan. So, talagang bukod dito sa huge surprise na 'to, literal na masu-surpresa ka rin kasi paano niyang ginawa yun? Okay, because this person here is cautiously preparing this surprise na mangyari or gawin for you. So definitely this is a very solid offer here. This is something here now we're seeing two beautiful new beginnings with the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Wands right in here. Now, definitely, this person here is giving me the vibe that he or she wants to build a family here with you guys. Wala tayong gender dito, LGBTQ. This person here wants to be by your side forever up until his or her last day on earth. This person here wants to be with you. Okay, ikaw yung last phase niya na gusto niyang makita. No? I'm seeing that in this person's thoughts. No? Wow, that's so moving, no? Yung ikaw yung gusto niya, yung face mo yung gusto niyang makita, no? Na lasting here on earth niya, no? Wow. So I do see that this person here is someone who's very serious, very sincere yung offer niya rito, no? So yung iba sa inyo, this person here, nandun yung presence ng friends ninyo. Basta may malalapit kayo rito, no? Na nandun doon sa surprise na yon, no? To officially ask you to be his or her girlfriend or boyfriend, no? Pero aabot rin kayo dun sa punto na i-a-ask niya rin, no? Like, this person here wants to not just show you, but to show as well your loved ones that he or she will take care of you. And very sincere yung kanya rito na feelings for you. Okay? And this person here is someone, no, who values his or her parents, especially his or her mom. Okay? So, it looks like this person here, kaya rin siya ganyan kasi may respeto siya sa kanyang mom. At kaya rito, no, gusto niya rin na maging present rito ang yung mom or ang parents mo dito, no, in this big confession of love. I wanna be with you forever. Let's be together forever. Wow. So, wow, I do see that there's more kilig, okay, na magiging present na vibes dito sa big surprise or sa huge surprise na ito. Now, after all, you're coming in as soulmate, sweetheart. Now, the presence of the Six of Cups ay very evident dito. No, looks like, no, this person here is someone who's destined to be with you. Okay, this person here is someone, no, napadala ni universe here for you guys, no, someone no, na minatch ni universe sa'yo. We have here the ultimate bartender. And I also pick up right here, no, that whether this is a new connection or someone already connected sa inyo, definitely, this person is staying forever with you. So what else can I say? If we will open this person's heart, i-dissect natin ang kanyang heart, you know, ang laman nito ay walang iba kundi ikaw. So, nakita natin dito na kasi naman tong person na to. This person here is so excited to spend his or her whole life with you guys. And I do pick up that this person here is coming in pretty serious na, no, dito pa lang, no, in asking for your asking you to be his or her girl or to be his or her boyfriend, no? In front of your loved ones. Very serious, okay? That's what I'm picking up, okay? So, etong inihahanda niya 'to, no, yeah, from the setup, from the foods and everything present dito, lahat yon favorite mo. Lahat yon, no, konektado sa'yo. So, definitely paghahandaan niya ito and you will be surprised paano niya nagawa yun, samantalang wala namang nabago sa mga schedule ng pagkikita ninyo at nakakausap mo rin siya. Hindi siya rito nagsasabi ng, "Babe, mamaya na lang," or whatsoever, no? Kundi talagang, wala ka talagang as in ka-clue-clue rito, no? Because this person here is showing you ang kanya rito na usual self, no? And wala siyang binago sa schedule ninyo, no? Para magawa itong surpresa na to. So, yeah, definitely. Okay? Success. At sa success, ang kanya ritong surprise for you. So, yeah, for the initials for Intaray. Congratulations! Yan o, advance congratulations para sa hindi pa 'to nare-receive 'no, kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, i-claim mo na 'to mga babes. So, tignan mo yung person mo. Oh, titigan mo, Sino ba namang hindi magsasabi ng, "I love you too"? Yes, dito sa person na ito. Yeah, for the initials right in here, unang-una na letter L. We have here letter M. We also have here the letter C. We also have here the letter O. Present din dito ang letter R. Of course, andito rin ang letter J. Mawawala ba dito ang letter victory? Yes, victory! Success is here, of course. And last but not the least, we've got the letter. Anong hula mo? E. Yeah, E. So, yeah, elephant. E as in elephant. No, kasing laki ng elephant. Ang surprise na ito. So, yeah, ito yung mga messages para sa'yo. Again, I'm Yuriana Anisarang. Hey, yo, love and light. Annyeong.